A pill could be the latest answer for doctors in Colorado as we race to reclaim control over rising COVID-19 cases and deaths. KRDO News Channel 13's Natalie Haddad explores how Pfizer is at the forefront of a new version of a COVID-19 vaccine.
Local shop owners here in downtown Colorado Springs are getting ready for the holiday season, but with the extra traffic comes the extra risk of transmitting the COVID-19 virus. Now, Pfizer says its COVID-19 pill cuts the risk of hospitalization or death by nearly 90% and hope it's an alternative that many will consider. An oral drug could be a new weapon in the fight against the pandemic. Pfizer is asking the U.S. Food and Drug Administration to authorize Paxlovid, a pill the drug maker says can protect people from the most severe symptoms of COVID-19 and cut chances of hospitalization by nearly 90%. If approved, Paxlovid can be taken as an early at-home treatment against the virus. In a statement, the pharmaceutical giant announced it was ready for mass production upon FDA approval, signing a deal allowing other manufacturers to make the COVID-19 pill, a move that would make the treatment available to more than half the world's population. Preliminary results of a study conducted by Pfizer shows fewer than 1% of COVID-19 patients who took Paxlovid needed to be hospitalized, and no one died. Patients who took a placebo, 7% were hospitalized and 7 died. In part, Pfizer said the overwhelming efficacy achieved in our recent clinical study of Paxlovid and its potential to help save lives underscores the critical role that oral antiviral therapies could play in the battle against COVID-19. In Colorado Springs, Natalie Haddad, KRDO News Channel 13.